Here's a full-length spoken voiceover script reviewing the ASUS TUF Gaming F16. Imagine you're about to embark on an epic gaming adventure, and you know exactly what it takes to take your skills to the next level. That's exactly what I got when I unwrapped the ASUS TUF Gaming F16. This laptop is built for the most demanding gamers out there. Let me tell you, from its sleek design to its impressive specs, this thing is a beast. The Intel Core i5 processor 13450HX inside is like having your own personal gaming supercomputer in your hands. It's a powerful processor that'll handle even the most intense games with ease. But what really sets the TUF F16 apart is its graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU. With a max TGP of 115W and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, you're talking about a serious boost in performance when it comes to gaming on Windows 11. No more lag, no more stuttering. This laptop delivers ultra-smooth visuals that'll make your games feel almost too real. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal about a high refresh rate display? Well, let me tell you, the TUF F16's FHD plus 165Hz display is like having a personal coach in your gaming sessions. The 100% sRGB color ensures that every detail is rendered beautifully, and adaptive sync technology means you'll never have to worry about screen tearing or lag again. But what really gets my excitement going is the laptop's military-grade durability. I mean, who needs a laptop that can withstand extreme temperatures, dust, and moisture when it comes to gaming? This thing is built to last, and I'm not just talking about its sleek design, which boasts a subtle embossed TUF logo on its cover. One of my favorite features has got to be the efficient cooling system. It's like having your own personal air conditioner in your laptop. The second-gen ArcFlow fans work seamlessly with full-width heatsink and vent to keep your laptop running smoothly, even during the longest gaming sessions. And let's not forget about multitasking. With 16GB of DDR5 memory and 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, this laptop is a dream to use. Whether you're juggling multiple tabs or streaming gameplay with friends, this thing handles it all with ease. In short, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 is an absolute powerhouse that checks every box for serious gamers. It's premium, it's reliable, and it's built to last, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to level up their gaming experience. Trust me, once you start playing on this laptop, you'll be hooked.